reject their prayer now, Mr.
My lord, on what basis? My lord, there some my lord, court must. My lord, I have said, my lord, we come before the court for a decision, not for
You will
dispute.
tell them that you put this and
My lord, what?
Mr. Bandyopadhyay,
My lord, what disposal I will make? My lord?
This channel does not promote or encourage any harmful or illegal activities. All contents provided are strictly for educational and informational purposes only.
The impugned order. কোথায় দিয়েছিস লঞ্চ আপনি প্রথমেই আছে
there are 4 matters.
Eight
I have 6
Eight.
matters.
8
You are in only, you are in second matter.
Second matter, my lord, first matter, and other 5 matters are also.
So you are appearing for all.
All.
Yes, Mr.
my lord, kindly see the impugned order.
14th October.
Yes, my lord, 14th October.
Hmm.
Affidavit of service filed in court today be kept with the record. The petitioner's pays for consideration of the represented 27 September 2025. Then the petition is disposed of with the direction that the respondent shall consider this a representation, test response upon hearing the parties and shall pass a reasoned order. But we are coming against the order. But we come to the court not for disposal, but for decision. Well, court can direct to consider after considering the facts and circumstances of the case. Nothing is there. Milord, the vital point I just tell you, Lordship. Milord, your Lordships can appreciate this. Milord, Lordships have in the new rules 2025, there is a provision of teaching experience. Your Lordship has seen that. Per year 2 up to 10 marks is the highest marks. Now, all those who have filled up the form, all that cases are being considered. In the application, they did not mention anything form about their past experiences. Nothing has been done. And Lordship knows the law. Law is very subtle that after the deadline, nothing can be considered. This application, advertisement, etc.
No, examination is over.
Examination has been already held.
Result published.
No, result will be published by tomorrow, and by 7th or 8th, the result will be published. Now, thereafter, my lord, the interview and the other things they are coming. 3 months, they have made the applications. 3 months, they have waited. After appearing in the written examinations, now they are coming up with the application and see the representation. What I will consider, if you have an experience, my lord, firstly, kindly see, if an experience, it is a Navodaya Vidyalaya, then in that case, the school has to be made party. How can I certify? And only one certification will not do. The school has to certify. How many days here? And my lord, the experience against a sanction post, whether permanent or contract, whether they are against the sanction post or not, nothing is there. What I will consider? My lord, kindly see the representation.
So, Mr. Bandyopadhyay, these persons' appointments were cancelled. You
No.
in the SSC matter.
No. They are the fresh candidates who are making the applications. They are not untainted teachers.
Fresh candidates means they were not within the fold of teachers in that selection process.
Selection process, there are two, untainted and
Untainted.
fresh.
Right.
Fresh, even the fresh, those
Who
who,
can apply who have experience.
who has experience. Untainted teachers, I have the records.
So you reject their prayer now, Mr.
My lord, on what basis? My lord, there some my lord, court must. My lord, I have said, my lord, we come before the court for a decision, not for
You
this.
will tell them that you put this and
My lord, what?
Mr. Bandyopadhyay,
My lord, what disposal I will make, my lord?
that is
And I have to give the hearing.
that is
My lord,
why
kindly see.
you are asking your good office to do that.
My lord, another thing is this point is difficult is this kindly similar. You know, 31st December, I have to do everything. By 31st December, all selection results have to be published. Now, if the court passes an order, what I will be busy with that. Give the hearing, give the reasons. And now it is still claim. There must be substance, just as I showed you a lot. It's not mechanical. Judgment of the It's not mechanical by the court. Court must consider the case. This is the case, this is the case. And how can I get the experience from them?
Mr. Bandyopadhyay, incorporate that line finished.
What?
What you have submitted before us, they will make it in the order. Finish it up. Because good, bad, indifferent, whatever order is passed, Mr. Bandyopadhyay. The
But
litigation
just 1 minute. I will not take.
was only
I will not take more than 2 minutes. I understand that.
no.
but-
We, as you are there, we are requesting you that take the decision and finish it.
But just 2 minutes. Kindly see this judgment.
Today, our judgment.
Yes, yes. (2008) volume 10 SSC page 115. Kindly come to paragraph 14. We are considered to refer the several facts of the issue only to emphasize the need for circumspection and care in issuing issue directions for consideration. If on the face of it is still paragraph 14 or does not contain particular to show that it is regarding a life claim should desist from directing consideration of such claims. What is the particulars? Kindly see the representation. What I will consider, Miller. But can I suggest one thing subject to your lordship?
Yes, yes.
Subject to your lordship. Then just subject to yourself. But may I suggest this order should be set aside. Your lordships can pass an order. Let them make a fresh representation. Give the details and also certificates to be issued by the school where he was working and what is the teaching experience. Otherwise, what I will consider? I have to reject. I am not against them.
So that, Mr. Bandyopadhyay,
2,500 persons from the central government schools have applied. They have given the details. And question is, it is a sanction post or not. But both the ways I have said, either your lordships record my submission and then direct whatever it may be. This is my submission before I have made it. Thereafter, direct them to consider on the basis of them what I have my submitted. Let it goes on record. Otherwise, I have the difficulties.
no, we will say that at the time of hearing, he will place all relevant documents.
No. All relevant documents means what? Then the certificate of the schools is concerned.
That he has annexed one.
Nothing. Kindly see the representation. Page 86. Page 85. Page 85. Nothing.
In the other case, you have passed the order in terms of.
But we are preferring appeal also. That is also coming up. That is look, when other petitions, now no orders are being passed. Why? And 48 your lordships will get it. I am coming, Millard. Kindly see one provision. Just this will be made very clear. Kindly come to Millard. Page. That will be very clear. Millard, page 76. I will not take much. Page 76. Page 76. Relevant provisions.
Yes.
Page 76. Kindly come to Millard. A, B. Schedule 2A, then small b. Lots you got it, Millard?
Yes.
Prior teaching experience, 10 marks. All the secondary, at the secondary in a government aided or government sponsored school, calculated on the basis of 2 marks for each year of service in a substantive post. Within bracket, permanent or contract basis. Therefore, which is relevant, Millard? A substantive post. And substantive post is not there. No teaching experience will, if he is not appointed against a substantive post, permanent or contract, then he is not entitled to get it. Therefore, in a representation, a specific thing, only one certificate has given in this case, page 48. 48. Kindly come to page 48. 48, kindly see. Notice. On the basis of merit list prepared by selection committee formed for West Bengal state partner is an approval of below listed candidates are hereby accorded for engagement on contract basis against the vacant level vacant post so and so ministry. This is only a panel and not an offer of engagement. The principal concern will contact the select candidate exercise so and so. Then Miller kindly see 49. Has worked in the Vidyalaya on the post of TGT mathematics on contract basis from 3rd August so and so. Then whether it is a substantive post or not, no certificate. Then in that case, this is a misgender of the parties. They should have made the school as a respondent. Yes. Duplication. Kindly come to page 50. Offer of appointment. Then 3. To the contract engagement will purely on contract up to the end of the current academic selection or the joining of regular incumbent, whichever is earlier. Then the 3, the contract offered is purely on contract basis and the contract teacher personnel will not have any claim for extension of the agreement or regulations. How can I verify now? Such a short time. I don't have the time to verify even. I just tell you what is going on. Result will be published by 4 or 7 or within this week. Then after 7 days verification, 5 lakhs candidates are there. I have to verify all of them. They have to come. 5 lakhs people. Then I have to start the interview. I have to finish it. When I will do all these things now? When a litigant is sleeping over the matter?
This was your whose document is this? This is your sent document, page 80.
Yes, is it?
State government.
Yes. Express, are you working as assistant teacher in aided sponsored school under the West Bengal government? Yes.
No, your question is, are you working as assistant teacher in any aided sponsored under West Bengal government? This was not in your clause.
No, yes, that's correct. But even then, let's assume that my lord, kindly see.
If they say that,
my lord, kindly see. My lord, kindly see. I am not. Even then, how 2,500 candidates of the central governments have applied?
That is,
they sought for a clarification.
No,
and we have allowed that applications.
Which application? So?
Leave aside them. There are other 2,500 central government, those who are not, yes, even Delhi state of Delhi.
So you gave clarification that you...
Yes, allow. I have no difficulties. At that time, they have given it. Huh? Which one? Well, kindly come, page 80. Date of first joining, experience count. Well, even though the teacher code is given by the state of West Bengal, I can understand. Teacher code is not given. They could have filled up this one.
No, then there would be a wrong statement. Their appointment would go. If they fill up the form saying that school date of joining, experience, or name of the school, Novo, if they give a central government school.
Yes,
the
I am.
wrong
Look, that is in terms of the rule we are considering.
The rule does not say so.
I understand, but they could have clarified. They could have.
Why should you invite Mr. Bandyopadhyay if we
But how can I today? I'll verify the documents.
7 days hear them reject
No,
their
no.
case.
First one has to give us. Well, kindly,
Mr.
Lordship knows how to.
We understand your problem. That is why you are engaged that go and file appeal, because this is our this will be our task which we
And
are
appeal,
doing.
go and before Justice Chakraborty, very difficult court. Unless you go, it is difficult for us.
No.
And that's very difficult. Try to pursue. And I have been engaged to pursue your lordship.
Because commission state all wants that the persons having this this experience would be considered. Now today, if we stop them, this will lead to further litigation. So why don't you take them? You do not press the appeal. You take them, finish it up.
No.
Reject
Keep
their
the record my submissions. Record my entire submissions. My lord, kindly see. Record my entire. This is my objections. I am taking this all because later on it is not come all of a sudden that they do not know anything. Record my submissions. Thereafter, lordship passes any order. Mr. Bandyopadhyay has made all these submissions. These are the difficulties. These are the difficulties. They don't have the papers. They don't have the documents.
That will make our task difficult.
To detail extent, and that will dispose of 8 appeals. I am your. I will. All we extend our time, my lord, 2 months, 3 months, we will do it.
Then you will go to Supreme Court and you will say, see Calcutta High Court.
Yes, yes, of course. Of course. Of course. My lord, I have the.
Will scold us like
I am having a kindly record this because I am having a.
No,
Just kindly excuse me. Just I am having a one great difficulties. I tell you, lordship. Before your lordship, I am very free to say anything, but not there. Why did you not say? Why did you not argue? That will come to me.
No, that is why we are saying that suppose Mr. Bandyopadhyay, it is not pressed. What will be the reaction? Tell us.
I have to consider now.
Yes, you will consider. We will put in the additional material so that it becomes easier for you.
My lord,
we can incorporate your objections to that, because once we pass an order, Mr. Bandyopadhyay, this will again go to Supreme Court. Matter will be delayed.
No,
this
Supreme Court will not. It will not go to Supreme Court. I can tell you this is. I can tell you this. This is not a case for going Supreme Court.
Then why you are insisting, Mr. Bandyopadhyay?
No, insisting because to record our submissions. Well, they have engaged me. Only you. He is a very strict judge. Only he can pursue. You can pursue. That is the reason.
কি করবো বলছো? এটাকে extend করো। 27
My lord,
September.
may I submit one thing?
Yes, yes.
That will be very, it will, this case I have said it, not much. Let them prove that at the time of hearing, they should give the documents.
Yes, yes.
At
That
that
we
time,
will
just that they were having an experience against the substantive. Just include this. I have nothing against that. Hard considered, etc., etc., then this, it will not go to Supreme Court, my lord. Hard considered, etc., they will give this, but that will enough for me. But I have acceded a request, I tell your lordships, before Justice Bhattacharya, there are two types. One type was Delhi government in one case, 3 years. And another 1 year was not against the sanction food. 3 years I have considered, yes, he is agreeable. He is entitled to get it. I have nothing. I have
we
no
understand.
body against, but this test has to.
Open a floodgate which will make it
My
impossible.
lord, already 25 petitions have been filed. And I can show to your lordship's order to the single judge. Let them prove it is a sanction post. Finish. I have nothing to. I am not against anybody. I want fresh candidate. I want untainted. My lord, let me be very clear to your lordships. First, untainted candidates. Of course, this consideration sympathy is there. Your lordship knows that. There was some fault. Anyway, people have suffered. These untainted candidates, no doubt, my lord, they have not committed. We have all sympathy for them. Then these fresh teachers who are coming.
Yes, sir.
কোনখানে যাব? হচ্ছে কত
at the time of consideration upon hearing of the case,
আর ওখানে কি হচ্ছে?
consider the applicants have produced all documents. Claim of having past teaching experience.
Yes.
Yes,
You will
my-
say it is not a judgment.
That-
You are opposing or defending.
I'm standing at
No, that we find.
That we understand, but the learned government player must say.
Way which is otherwise not sustainable gets light by way of directive consideration of his case. Well, that is well known principle of
How it is not sustainable?
that will understand.
No, that, for that requires consideration. Na?
Delay मतलब
Delay what they will do? The format which was given. What?
they are all fence-sitters, that's what I.
Why fence sitters you are saying?
Because
When-
one order has been passed.
This advertisement was made when?
my lord, 30th of May, 30th of May 2025.
Where do we
Can
get
come
it?
to the advertisement?
Page
Page
56.
56.
Yes. So you applied for both 9 and 10 and 11 and 12.
9 and 10 and 11, 12.
In both you applied.
In one, my lord, 9 and both, yes. In both,
Both.
9 and 10 and 11, 12.
Very
So
good. Now,
I was in my lord appointed as a my lord contractual but a teacher.
no, that we know, but after this advertisement,
Yes.
what happened? Why didn't you
There was-
disclose?
Your lordship kindly come to my application. Application.
Page,
My lord, page 63. P4. P4. In the application, in the portal, there was no provision for inclusion of my teaching experience. What just now your lordship pointed out, page 80, only the teachers who were appointed as contractual under the government of West Bengal, they had the right to include their teaching experience. We had no opportunity to include our teaching experience. Your lordship, kindly, that will appear from page 80.
Claim which is otherwise sustainable, that's
My lord, paragraph 34 in my writ application I specifically pleaded. Paragraph 7. Page 34 of the stay application.
So when did you fill up this form? Page 63, date?
My lord, page 63, my lord, that is the application.
And what is page 80?
80, my lord, that is, my lord, opportunity was given to the teachers, my lord, who were aided by the government of West Bengal.
When was this given?
Well, it was given to that, my lord, portal. I had no access to that portal. I had no access.
You had seen this, but you did not fill up.
Yes, if I filled up, my lord, then it will be incorrect statement. My application will be rejected.
Now, when did you fill it up? Page 63, when did you submit online?
I did not.
When did you submit online?
I had no scope to, my lord, submit in online.
This you have submitted.
No.
Page,
it is,
page
my lord,
63. Page 63 is your online application.
Yes, that is the application.
When did you make it?
9th July.
9th July.
9th July. Yes.
Then why did you wait for 2 months?
My lord, I had no scope. My lord, that's why I pleaded in my writ application, my lord, page 7. My lord, how could I, my lord, I only the application should be filed in the advertisement is specifically stated that only on online. Except online, I cannot make any, my lord.
You filed the representation after 2 months. That is why they are saying you are fence sitter.
No, my lord, I had no, my lord, scope to, my lord, make any application before them.
Representation.
Representation I have made, my lord, that is, my lord.
একজনের ক্ষেত্রে হয়েছে তখন I came to know that a similar issue has been decided. তখন উনি এসছে এই যে ফেন্স সিটার উনি হচ্ছে 85
এটাও পাস হয়েছে 23rd সেপ্টেম্বর 4 দিনের মধ্যে করেছে সবাইকে করতে হবে সবাই খবরে বাস করেছি কি রিপ্রেজেন্টেশন কতদিনের মধ্যে পৌঁছতে 30 days। If we modify the order, Mr. Bandyopadhyay, that he will produce all the supporting documents in support as regards his experience
Experience against substantive post.
against a
That's
substantive.
it, that's all.
My lord, my lord,
That's
to
all.
that, to
But
that.
I don't need anything.
No, we are not interfering. We are saying
Yes, yes.
that in course of hearing and on our query, it has been said that your case will be considered subject to production of all necessary documents to show that you are engaged in an substantive post before the concerned.
Yes,
authority.
yes. My lord, I have.
My lord, that I have, my lord, from the documents I shall satisfy your lordship.
Satisfied there.
My lord, that I shall satisfy there. My lord, since here it has fallen from your lordship, my lord, kindly come to page 86.
That we are not deciding, Mr.
No, I shall produce. I shall produce what have fallen from your lordships. That's, my lord, I shall go and I shall
And
produce that
extend
document.
the time, it was directly done by 7 days. Now from within 7 days from today, lords is connected.
Yes.
That will help too.
My lord, this is a regular post, substantive post. From page 50 it will appear, and I have submitted the documents that will appear from page 86.
ওইটা বলবো না, তার সবগুলো সাবস্টেন্সিভ ছিল, সেই সাবস্টেন্সিভ নিয়েছে যারা গভর্নমেন্ট এরিয়াতে করেছে, তা বলুন হিসেব করে দেখা হয়েছে নাকি? আচ্ছা, কাউন্টেড দিস লাইক কলেজ টিচার্স 8টা করে পাবে একটা সাবজেক্টে, পড়তে হবে, না দেখলে হবে না। সমস্ত সৌগত বাড়তি ডাইরেক্ট লিখেছি, কি সুন্দর লিখেছে।
Ashok, the present appeal has been preferred.
Keep it blank. I will just contact me. I will come and give it. No problem.
আমরা দিয়েছি, আমরা এক্সটেন্ড করেছি 21st। অলরেডি they have made the petition সন্ধ্যে
দেখি until 25th November. You send them a message, they will come and attend, give the documents. Because if the specified date is fixed, then it might create problem for you.
No, that would be difficult. Give 7 days. 6th
6th
of
of
November, yes.
today we are in
4th, 6th. Because we are running shortage of time. Experience has to be added before calling interview.
At least 10 days.
হয়নি, we have been informed that on 6th